Alright guys, we're going to rewire the fuel pump. We're going to take it from being wired directly from the switch down to the switch triggering a relay, so we get a little bit better connection, mobile thingy-ish, whatever. Alright, let's get some of this old stuff out of here. I don't even know what's going on here. All this stuff. We'll take care of that later. We're going to rewire this and get it onto a relay. Alright, what we're going to put in is a 30 amp relay. Instead of running all the power from the switch will now trigger the relay for the fuel pump. We did have to change the pigtail a little bit here. We took the yellow one out of here, then we pulled the red one out of the middle, stuck it where the yellow one was, just for simplicity, so we know our power is going to be the red and not the yellow. Just makes it a little bit easier. Alright, now we'll have, this will be the switch coming from the switch of the trigger. This will be our power in, this will be our ground, and this will go right to the fuel pump itself. We've gone about as far as we can with the wiring until we get the cage and the seat and everything in there. So then we get the carpet run, we know where we're going to put everything. So today we're going to fix the issue with the evacuation tubes. Alright, here is our issue. Now with the new front end on there, this sits too close to the transmission. The fitment's a little bit better than the old 60s stuff. Yeah, now it won't, we can't get that on there. So we're going to have to take this off. We're going to have to put it over here on this other side. Alright, that come out pretty good for the first time we've actually really TIG welded anything. Not too bad. Alright, thanks guys for watching. We'll see you next week. Like and subscribe down below.